Hi there. My builder flat has a very bad flooring in the utility area, so I am trying to renovate it using vinyl sheet. I have cleaned my floor thoroughly. I'm using a vinyl sheet for amazon.co.in. I'm using Exacto knife and scissor, a plastic card, painter's tape, and some newspapers to take dimension of the floor. This was the condition of my old flooring. I have taken its dimension on the newspapers. I have bridged the major gaps using painter's tape, and this is the vinyl sheet which I have got from amazon.co.in for this project. It has a plastic look so that you can mob easily over this vinyl sheet. I have cut it into the dimension I have taken on the newspapers in the previous step. I am removing the back sheet and pasting the vinyl sheet to my floor portion by portion using plastic card. I'm trying to remove all the creases and bubbles while sticking it to my floor. There can still be some bubbles left which I can remove in the next step very easily using safety pin. I'll show you how. I think this is turning out really nice. I'm using Exacto knife to give finished look to my flooring, removing extra vinyl sheet. I'm using safety pin and pricking the bubble using a plastic card, and this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.